Home remedies to repair nerve damage. Are you tired of feeling like you have pins and needles all over your body? Do you wish you could just hit a reset button on your nervous system? Well, you're in luck, because today we'll discuss home remedies that can help repair nerve damage. Nerve damage can be a real pain, and sometimes it feels like you can do nothing about it. But fear not, because some natural remedies may help you get back on track. So grab your notepad and pen, and let's start this nerve repairing journey together. Symptoms of nerve damage. Nerve damage can manifest in a variety of ways, but some of the most common symptoms include the following: numbness or tingling in the affected area, burning or shooting pain, muscle weakness, sensitivity to touch or temperature changes, loss of coordination, trouble with balance, changes in skin color or texture. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, seeing a doctor as soon as possible is important. Don't be a hero and tough it out, because early diagnosis and treatment can make a big difference in your recovery. Why early diagnosis and treatment is crucial. When it comes to nerve damage, time is of the essence. The longer you wait to seek treatment, the more damage can occur and the less chance you have of a full recovery. That's why seeing a doctor at the first sign of symptoms is important. I know doctors can be a bit intimidating and expensive, but trust me, getting a proper diagnosis and treatment plan is worth it. Plus, think of all the cool new medical terminology you'll learn. Radiculopathy, neuropathy, myelopathy. Okay, maybe they're not cool, but you get the idea. So don't wait until your nerves are shot. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms of nerve damage, make an appointment with your doctor today. Causes of nerve damage. Have you ever wondered what causes nerve damage? Well, wonder no more, because we're about to dive into the deep end of the nerve pool and explore some common culprits. Injury and trauma. When nerves get a beat down. One of the most obvious causes of nerve damage is injury and trauma. Whether it's a sports injury, a car accident, or a fall down the stairs, ouch! Any kind of physical trauma can damage the delicate nerves in our bodies. So if you're a daredevil who loves extreme sports or is just prone to accidents, be extra careful out there. Disease and illness. When nerves get sick of it all. Unfortunately, nerves can also get damaged by disease and illness. Conditions like diabetes, multiple sclerosis, and even the common cold can cause nerve damage. So, if you're feeling under the weather and noticing some nerve-related symptoms, it's important to get checked out by a doctor. Toxins and chemicals. When nerves get poisoned. Who knew that nerves were so sensitive? Exposure to toxins and chemicals like alcohol, lead, and even chemotherapy drugs can cause nerve damage. So, maybe it's time to lay off the booze and find a more natural way to dye your hair. Genetics and hereditary factors. When nerves run in the family. Genetics and hereditary factors can also play a role in nerve damage. Certain genetic mutations can lead to conditions like Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease, which affects the nerves in our arms and legs. So, if you have a family history of nerve-related conditions, staying aware and proactive about your health is important. Home remedies for nerve damage. Dealing with nerve damage can be a real pain in the nerves, but fear not, because some natural home remedies can help ease your symptoms and promote healing. Essential oils, a fragrant solution for nerve damage. One of the most popular natural nerve damage remedies is to gently rub or massage essential oils on the affected area. These highly concentrated oils contain natural compounds that can help soothe nerve pain, reduce inflammation, and even promote nerve regeneration. Plus, they smell pretty darn good too. Using essential oils for nerve damage can have a variety of benefits, including reducing pain and discomfort, decreasing inflammation, promoting relaxation and reducing stress, improving circulation and blood flow, and supporting nerve regeneration and healing. Many different types of essential oils can be helpful for nerve damage, so let's explore some of the most popular ones. Peppermint oil. Known for its cooling and soothing properties, it can help alleviate nerve pain and reduce inflammation. Lavender oil. This versatile oil is great for promoting relaxation and reducing stress, which can help relieve nerve-related symptoms. Helichrysum oil. This lesser-known oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help promote nerve regeneration. Frankincense oil. Often used in traditional medicine, frankincense oil can help reduce inflammation and support healing in damaged nerves. Of course, it's important to note that essential oils should never be used as a replacement for medical treatment. Always talk to your doctor before trying new home remedies. Use high-quality, pure essential oils and follow proper safety precautions. Herbs and supplements. The natural nerve damage fighters. If you're looking for some natural remedies to add to your arsenal, herbs and supplements might be the way to go. Not only can they help alleviate symptoms, but they can also promote nerve regeneration and healing. Using herbs and supplements for nerve damage can reduce inflammation and pain, support nerve regeneration and healing, improve circulation and blood flow, and reduce stress and anxiety. Let's dive into some of the most recommended ones. Alpha-lipoic acid. This antioxidant can help reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells from damage. You can take around 600 milligrams daily to get proper results. Turmeric. This spice has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help alleviate nerve pain. 400 to 600 milligrams 3 times a day would do the trick. Vitamin B12. This vitamin is essential for nerve health and can help support nerve regeneration and healing. Taking 100 micrograms daily for over 5 days can provide optimal results. St. John's wort. This herb has been used for centuries to treat nerve-related conditions and can help reduce inflammation and anxiety. Find capsule dosages of 300 milligrams and take it 3 times a day with meals. Exercises for nerve damage. Get moving to feel better. Believe it or not, exercise can actually be a great way to alleviate nerve damage symptoms. Low-impact exercises like yoga and swimming can help improve circulation and flexibility while reducing stress and anxiety. If you're new to exercising with nerve damage, starting slow and listening to your body is important. Some exercises to try include gentle stretches. Focus on stretching the affected area to improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. Yoga. Many yoga poses can help improve circulation and reduce stress, such as the downward-facing dog and child's pose. Swimming. This low-impact exercise can help improve circulation and reduce pain and inflammation. Food for thought. How your diet can help nerve damage. Did you know that what you eat can greatly impact nerve damage recovery? Eating a healthy, well-balanced diet can give the body the necessary nutrients to repair and regenerate damaged nerves. When it comes to nerve damage repair, a healthy diet can help in many ways. So, what foods should you be eating to support your nerve damage recovery? Here are some of the top picks. Omega-3 rich foods such as fatty fish, salmon and sardines, nuts, walnuts, almonds, and seeds, flax seeds and chia seeds. Vitamin B-rich foods such as leafy greens, spinach and kale, whole grains, quinoa and brown rice, and lean meats, chicken or turkey. Antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, blueberries, raspberries, dark chocolate, and colorful veggies, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes. And anti-inflammatory foods such as ginger, turmeric, and garlic. Remember, a well-balanced diet is key, so incorporate various foods from each food group. Lifestyle changes for nerve damage. Small changes, big impact. Aside from diet, there are also lifestyle changes that can help support nerve damage recovery. These changes can be simple yet effective in reducing symptoms and improving overall well-being. Here are some tips on how to incorporate lifestyle changes for nerve damage into your daily life. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help reduce stress and improve energy levels. Reduce stress. Find ways to manage stress, such as practicing relaxation techniques, meditation, deep breathing, or engaging in activities that bring you joy. Exercise regularly. Low-impact exercises like walking or yoga can help improve circulation and reduce pain and inflammation. Quit smoking. Smoking can constrict blood vessels and reduce blood flow, worsening nerve damage symptoms. Limit alcohol intake. Drinking too much alcohol can negatively affect nerve health and overall well-being. Remember, making small changes can greatly impact your nerve damage recovery. Start with 1 or 2 changes and gradually incorporate more into your daily routine. Consistency is key, so keep at it. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed learning about home remedies to repair nerve damage. Remember, nerve damage can be a serious condition, so it's important to seek medical advice if you're experiencing any symptoms. But in the meantime, incorporating some of these home remedies into your routine can help alleviate symptoms and support nerve damage recovery. From essential oils and herbs to exercises and lifestyle changes, there are plenty of natural ways to support your body's healing process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.